Let's take a look at how a lower division geology course from Humboldt State uses the backward design model. Going back to the questions to consider when thinking about student learning outcomes, what specifically did this instructor want her students to walk away with in terms of knowledge and/or skills? If we go to the course syllabus, you can see that the instructor has provided course learning outcomes in the syllabus that define what the students will be able to know or do upon successful completion of the course. Let's look at a few. Explain the dynamic tectonic processes, estimate earthquake size and location, evaluate information ranging from media to technical sources, and assess the likelihood of a natural hazard in your personal situation. Again, these are more broad to encompass overall learning in the course, and they become the basis for what we call alignment. Next, the instructor considered what assessments would effectively measure the students' learning. You can see in week 3, the instructor has written more specific learning objectives that support the course learning outcomes that we just looked at. For example, if we scroll down to the geologic scale for time assignment, you'll note that the learning objective in this assignment is both specific and measurable, but still aligns with and supports the more broad course learning outcomes. Then, in the final step, the instructor looked at developing experiences or activities that would help her students meet those outcomes. Back to this week 3, students were engaging in related activities such as team discussions and team projects that again connect to the weekly learning objectives and align with the course learning outcomes. In planning this course using the backward design model, the instructor utilized a course map to first develop the learning outcomes and weekly learning objectives, then develop the assessments, and then finally develop the learning activities that all align with the course learning outcomes.